Check it out, man. Oh, I'm excited. Yeah, man, I'm going Maritime Mobile. I hate to brag, man, but I'm going Maritime Mobile at last. See this horrible, actually, it's wonderful. It's my beloved RCA brand speaker wire, but this is like 30 gauge. You want to see how weak this is? I think I might have shown this before. Watch, I'm not even going to use, I'll use one finger. I just broke it with one finger. But what do you call that thing that you drag behind a boat that puts tension on an anchor? It puts tension on a line. It takes a line with the sea current. Do you call it a sea anchor? A sea drag? That's what's going to pull my counterpoise wire. What you don't see is the 50 bobbers, fishing bobbers that'll hold this above the water. Now, this is crap. It's lightweight crap. It's perfect. It's the perfect counterpoise. The antenna is going to be the fiberglass pole, right? Our fiberglass pole from our 17-meter test vertical, right? Because hell, it works great. It did work great. We've had a catastrophic failure at a element attachment point. So, and plus nobody was talking on 17. The band crapped on us for a while, so, and I needed the real estate for the 6-foot high and fed half wave desperation mode 80-meter test antenna, right? So what you're not seeing are the lakes. I live in mid-Michigan. This is a land of a billion lakes. I got the rig. Yep, you see the microphone. Gonna run sideband. Gonna run 100 watts. Hang on. Had to make a side trip. There's the power supply, right? Garden tractor battery. Brand new. Who cares what the capacity is? Hang on. Okay, so I showed you the counterpoise wire that'll be attached to a sea drag or a sea anchor or whatever the hell you boaters call. Yeah, you boaters, I better avoid the Great Lakes. Those are inland seas and they're scary. Yeah, I've had a bad experience on Lake Huron one time, becoming stranded. So there's the radiator, the counterpoise, showed you the power supply. There's the rig, and my boat. That's the missing element. Nope. As my sister would say, wah wah. My boat? I'll buy it tomorrow. It's gonna be a 12-foot kayak from Tractor Supply. You think I'm kidding? You think I'm not gonna mount that vertical on that kayak and use said counterpoise with shown power supply and my beloved Yaesu? Maritime Mobile coming to the lakes of Michigan. Yeah, just not Lake Huron or Lake Michigan or Lake Erie or Lake Superior. God, not Lake Superior. That's a lake of death. Whew. What say you? Guitar Zan, where are you, man? 73.